So how do you think about it? So you think actually it's a false choice to suggest even that what we need to be doing is doing more drilling, doing more refining. A lot of the issues that I'm sure some of the big energy companies who spoke in Washington, the Biden administration met with just earlier last week.
Don't rely on my opinion.
Right.
The IEA says we don't need to drill for any more hydrocarbons to meet the market need. We've got enough reserves. Develop those, but we don't need to.
If that's true, though, how do you look at the price of energy today and what you think it may or may not do to the larger economy right now?
I'm not an energy expert,
right.
but my take on this is that the prices are responding to what your audience, more than anyone else,
right.
views will happen with efforts to put price caps through insurance companies and Western nations on an energy transaction between China and Russia. I don't know how we're going to put price caps and make them effective.
So, but then we have a larger issue, which is if energy continues to spiral, if you believe it will spiral, and I don't know, do you believe it will in terms of cost?
I believe we are in an epic transition from a fossil fuel economy to a clean energy economy. It's the largest economic development of our lifetimes. It ranks up with the internet in terms of its impact. And it's a revolution. In real revolutions, there's winners and there's losers. And I think it's the best investment opportunity of our lifetime. And the road will be bumpy.
Right. But here to the bumpy piece, and this is, I think, the hard part. A lot of people obviously looking at the stock market, looking at the inflationary pressures on our economy, thinking that things actually may get worse rather than better, at least in the near term. And I think, and maybe you're going to suggest this is near term or too short term thinking, but there's a lot of people out there who are saying, how do we fix this now?
Well, the Fed's job is to fix inflation now. The administration's very concerned about inflation now. Our elected leaders are all concerned about inflation. So,
what is the lowest hanging fruit when it comes to
in the plan?
In the plan,
the most immediate thing we can do in the plan is cut methane emissions, leaks and wasted and flared methane, which is a productive hydrocarbon, and it's one we're just tossing into the air like it's some kind of free and open sewer. If we acted on the recommendations that came out of the most recent accords, we could lower the global warming by 4 degrees C.
And what does that mean, and who has to do that?
The large oil companies have already pledged that they will put in place better and more effective caps and controls on their wells.
Right.
One of the most important developments will happen later this year in a project called Climate Trace, where 50 nonprofits are coming together to pool in near real time their data on emissions around the world. Think of Google Earth, a kind of map that you can track the carbon emissions, and specifically focused on methane as a first and most potent gas.